Ever wondered how a professional cricket bat is made? From raw willow wood to the powerful blade used in international matches.
It all begins with premium English willow. Only the straightest grains and strongest clefts are selected for high-quality bats.
The cleft is then cut into the basic bat shape. Precision machines define the blade's curve, thickness, and spine. Pressing is the most critical stage. High pressure strengthens the willow fibers, improving durability and power.
The handle, made from strong cane, is carefully fitted and glued. This ensures flexibility and shock absorption.
Each bat is hand-finished for perfect balance and pickup. The edges are refined, and the blade is sanded until flawlessly smooth.
The bat receives its protective sheet and branding. Every detail is aligned to perfection.
Before leaving the factory, every bat undergoes quality testing to ensure maximum performance. From raw willow to match-ready weapon, this is how a cricket bat is made.